Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Till now, we have learned about the divisibility rules from 2 to 11. Basically, the divisibility rules help us to quickly check whether a given number is exactly divisible by another number without doing long division. To master on divisibility rules, please watch all the videos under this playlist on my YouTube channel Basics to Master Maths. In the upcoming series, we are going to discuss about the number system, what are factors, different ways to find factors, and the properties of factors. Please stay tuned till the end. Now, let us move on to the number system. Under that, the first one is natural numbers. The definition says natural numbers are the set of positive counting numbers starting from 1 and going on without end, meaning there is no limit. Got it? Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 100, 200, etc. Here are few key features. First one, they are used for counting. Second one, they are always positive numbers. Third one, they do not include 0 because we do not start counting from 0. We always start counting from 1. Meaning we do not say 0 apple. We always say 1 apple, 2 apples, 100 apples, etc. Fourth one, they go on infinitely, meaning there is no limit or end. Got it? Next, let us move on to whole numbers. The definition says whole numbers are the set of natural numbers along with 0. Therefore, you can say natural numbers plus 0 gives you whole numbers. Got it? Example 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Here are key features. First one, they are used for counting and measuring, because in measurement you can say 0 liter of milk. I mean, there is no milk. Next, they are always positive numbers or 0. Third one, they include 0. Fourth one, they go on infinitely, meaning there is no limit or end. Got it? Now, let us see the difference between natural numbers and whole numbers. Natural numbers start with 1, whole numbers start with 0. Natural numbers do not include 0, whole numbers include 0. In set representation, natural numbers start with 1, whole numbers start with 0. Natural numbers are always used for counting. Whole numbers are used for both counting and measuring. Natural numbers include only positive numbers. Whole numbers include positive numbers and 0. Both natural numbers and whole numbers are infinite, meaning there is no limit or end. Got it? Now, let us take a question. Every natural number is a whole number, but not every whole number is a natural number. Explain why. Observe here, whole numbers are the set of natural numbers along with 0. So, every natural number is a whole number because the set of whole numbers include all natural numbers along with 0. However, not every whole number is a natural number because whole numbers include 0, which is not a natural number. Got it? Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel Basics to Master Maths. Thank you.